29 বছর ভাই মানে 29 years ভাই মানে কারণে অ্যাচিভমেন্ট বডি স্ট্রাগল কমিটমেন্ট बुढाफोरा बेलाय हामबाय मारो जों साइमान दिनै खजागिरिनि तेर दिनै बर' समाजनि मालायमानि साल दिनै जायति गोरोंमानि साल दिनै एकतानि साल किन्तु फियाबा आंनि अर मेसेज सोंनाय आंनि अर जे फाइ माजा फाइनाय आंनि दाखु बुखुराव आंनि मेसेज अबाव दंनाय any society, maybe Buru, maybe Bengali or Assamese, whatever it is, kaise jati gusti survive khayani, continue khayani, hengklai, aro charta factor nango. Omar ani message songnai. One most important, our culture, ani tomung, chamung, mukumu, munacang proud makhainai. Our culture should be developed, should continue to survive. Our jil prothom ni malonai. Ang guru hisabe gai, ang masni jagnai. I should be proud of my culture, of my language, of my custom. To continue our generation, jil ekna bananai. Side by side, very important. Economy. Our society, Guru society, should come up with a strong economy, run puisa, business, Arab development. The third point, education, Sikha, or Sikha development to survive, to continue our society. Sikha now. Without education, we cannot continue, we cannot survive our Buru society. Remember it. Very important. Fourth point, to survive, to continue my society, my Buru society, we need political power. Politics should be developed in our society. Since the one from Takubukaro, since Haimano, Chini Riang Buru, Hodagiri dance, very famous, very popular, very developed. Since the Haimano. What is economy? Rang Puisha, business, Chini Buru society, development ka, unnati ka, oh yeah, defective. Nang masama na itumabay, Rajama masama bay, cannot survive until unless ini society wo, Buru society wo, ini rangpuja keroi, economic keroi, cannot survive. Therefore, side by side, I appreciate Alhamdulillah, Hodagiri dance, Balai develop, but only one side. The economy very very weak. Ini rangpuja keroi. And it's like Durbal. How to continue, how to survive my culture, my custom is a question mark. Third very important, education. And a Guru society, whether we have enough education, sufficient education in my society, no. Very sad to say. And a Guru society was Sikha and Kuroi. Officer Kodar Kurai, IS officer Kurai, Doctor Kaham Kurai. That also we have to take care of. So the culture development by Rajaba and Musunga by is not sufficient. And Saimarjin Riang Buruni, very culture develop. In the economy, Balai weak. Sikha, Balai weak. Political, Balai weak. Out of 4, 3 are weak. Only one culture has a little bit developed. Chattani bisingo, 3 tane durbal. Nini somas agak bane, nini society survive bane, survive hoya. So this thing, all my genius of Matha Kalai, and a young generation, and all you work intellectual, officers, student, youth should realize this four factor is very important to survive, to continue my society. What about ang South Delhi? Because ang Saimaro, BSCO is a non-political, non-religious society. I am proud of it. BSCO is not based on religions. BSCO is not based on politics. This theme, this ideology, the aim and object, I appreciate about the BSCO. But BSCO have struggled a lot. Because many of my friends, long money and friend, how BSCO is surviving? We should come off. How to survive our society? How to continue our society in proper way, in perfect way. We are very lucky enough. BJP I the government has not taken over power. We have decided, our government has decided, for 25 years suffering, 23 years suffering of our Buru society, the displaced people, they are not refugee, displaced people of our Buru society, Buru community should be given permanent settlement in Tripura. We have decided, our government has decided. Since Hyderabad, অনেক party, hotel play খাইব থাকবো. This is not a fact. Until unless our government, central government, do not realize, do not take initiative, how can we give them permanent settlement in Tripura? অনেক কিছু drawback থাকবে না. We are trying our best to accommodate them, to rehabilitate them. Especially in the forest area. You know, I'm the forest minister. I know the detail. How it's difficult to acquire the land. There are so many laws to acquire the land. There are so many rules, regulations we have to follow. It's not easy. Just to talking is not enough. We have to follow the guidelines, the procedures, the law. How do you talk since Simon, because we are in administration. And Hambai Rachel, dynamic leadership, developed Devjino, for the keen interest, for the leadership, I think, to the Badaria, to put a Pikis Hadar, Tabo Tony Sikana population, and a record Tabo. Simple permanent settlement in Navajan, just like I don't write on. This is our great achievement of our government. Especially the Buru society should be thankful to our government. Sarkar na hambar na dorkar, kitto koto khale dorkar. Abu Chimia is the Minister of Private Welfare, another Minister of PGT. I am trying my level best to do different thing, not same thing but different thing. Since we have family padago, student, BPL student, poor student get opportunity, the chance to do in B.Ed course outside Tripura. Only Buru are getting chance to do B.Ed course outside the state. With full scholarship. So I was saying nursing only for Buru. To study IS cooking only for Buru. That is a different thing we are doing in our government. Not like before. Buribang Kagawtene, Tini Buru society, they're coming up. But one thing, my request, Sung Tantamana, we have to unite together. Our Buru community have to sacrifice, have to compromise for the greater interest of our community, for Buru communities. Now, Simon has been minister for last 3.5 years. I have a lot of discussion with the Buru community from different NGOs, different communities, different organizations, but different of survival. To whom to accept, to whom to grant. Because I am friend with everybody. Joto community, joto organization, but I don't fight on Sarayo. I'm just like you. But I'm going to agree, since I never agree. But I'm Kagotini. In 29 years celebration of Chinikathar Hadagiri, or the Paimada Fanaki Takubuko, Hadal Sampani, Ankanagati Midram of Painai, North, South, West, Burkamatini, especially the young generation, the youth, you should come up with broad-minded, with open heart to contribute for society, to contribute for our Buru communities. With big heart. Bonang sanai tini, tina hai jora ceng malai mani jora, ceng jati kering lain jora. Angka kago, the BSc will go ahead in the future. Tini sarkar top theke, whatever in my capacity, I'm going to help them, help Thailand. Bonang angka tini, job tini rok thamsai tong lagi. Tini discipline, no maintain mat Thailand. তারপর শিখলা যাওয়ার অনেক তখন সাইমন তিনি বেশি অনেক কমেই তখন তিনি সবচেয়ে প্রবলেম তিনি সরকার ফেস কে তখন আং হামবাই মারো যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ন ফার্স্ট টাইম ইন দ্য হিস্ট্রি অফ ত্রিপুরা our chief minister declared drug free state নেশা মুক্ত রাজ্য जों सोरजिनि young generation of most of them are drug addicted. Mereka jenis khasa-khasi sorot payu, nesamuk rajyo, drug free state. Jenis sakai tong daku bukaro. Jenis samas, jenis jati gusti, jenis kusuk kasana hangklai, jenis tokai nesagrosto de drugs, ode seul, boleh jemuk to mangnai. Aur sebab sama darai, government is there to help. Ani NGOs, BSco, jenis obi baba. Young generation intellectual group should come up to support government because we are campaigning, we are fighting for drug-free state in Tripura. Bori bagang sanai, jotto no, hai balai kino, ane khaksangma, ane hambai, ya faloi, hai jotto no, khadagiri katharni hambai khulbai ka.